Hey everybody! I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. We're going to be working with our program today on phonics and high frequency words. Today we're going to learn all about the R controlled vowel. Gosh, the picture's not very good. Hi everybody! Today's lesson, hope you're doing well. I missed you guys. We're going to learn about the R controlled vowel R, like a pirate. R. So here we have yard, yard, yard. Let me move me around so you can see those. Phonics blend the words that have the R controlled vowel R. R, d, hard. R, k, mark. Y, R, n, yarn. R, t, smart. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry, I'm back. Hopefully that's a better picture. R, p, heart. St, R, star. T, R, tar. J, R, jar. Sk, R, scarf. B, R, k, bark. Sh, R, p, sharp. R, harm. Ch, R, t, chart. Now look at the pictures and say the words, and you can use a whiteboard if you have one at home, or just use a piece of paper and a marker, or you can just work with me. So we have yarn, yarn, yarn. Shark, shark. Barn, barn, barn. Arch, march. I wasn't sure what they were going with there. Scarf, arf, scarf. Now read the sentences and we'll talk about, or you can write on a piece of paper or a marker board, the R controlled vowels in each sentence. We will ride in the car to the park. So car and park both have that pirate sound R. Bart liked running in the yard. Bart, yard. Mark was shutting, I can't see the ing part, sorry. Mark was shutting the jar. Mark, jar. I don't like to hear the dog when I'm napping. Bark, the dog bark when I'm napping. Read the sentence in a whisper voice. Do what the sentence says. Put on a scarf. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. March. March. Be a shark. Bark. Woof, woof, woof. Play a harp. Drive a car. Now we're going to build the words, cut out the letters, and build the words that have the R controlled vowel. So we're just going to build the word t, R, tar. Now we're going to change the beginning sound to st. What is the new word? Star. Harp. Change the beginning sound to sh. What is the new word? I'm going to scoot this over a bit. Sharp. Hard. Change the ending sound to so d to What is the new word? Harm. Read each sentence in a whisper voice and talk to your partner or your parent or sister or brother Talk to your partner to finish the sentence. Blank is hard for me. Working out is hard for me. Waking up is hard for me. Not being with my students is hard for me. Blank is sharp. A sharpened pencil is sharp. A knife is sharp. Blank lives in a barn. A chicken lives in a barn. A horse lives in a barn. Good job. Now we'll do our say high frequency words. I see 4 dogs. Oh gosh, I'm right in the middle of it. 4. The dump truck is large. You can't see the word large. There we go. The dump truck is large. None of the cookies, gosh, the screen is large enough. None of the cookies were eaten. None. Total rule breaker, right? Super E should tell the O to say its name, so it should be known. But it's a rule breaker. That O makes the U sound. None. The apple only cost 5 cents. Only. There's that crazy Y with 2 syllables that says E at the end of the word. Only. Where did you put my book? Put. A lot of kids here will say put. Put as in golf. Put would have 2 T's. So put. A penny is round. Round. There's our ow sound. O-U. Ow, ow, ow. Look at the pictures and write the high frequency words that describe the picture. I'm covering one up. So what number of dogs? 4. The dump truck is large. How many of the cookies were eaten? None. That rule breaker word. The apple only costs 5 cents. Only. Oh, please put your book away. Put. The penny is round. Round. Now look at the word carefully as it flashes on your screen, and then we're just going to say it together, or you can write it if you want to. 4. Move my screen down. 4. Large. Did you see it? Large. None. Only. Put. Round. Now look at the high frequency words. They're missing letters. Let's decide which letters are missing. F-O-U-R. 4. Large. R-G-E. None. What letters are missing? N-E. Only. What letters are missing? L-Y. Put. We're just missing a T. Round. N-D. Now we'll read the sentence and write the high frequency word on our board that you see in the sentence. Let's read together. Ready? I see 4 fish in the fish tank. 4. I saw a large dog in the park. There's our R-A-R, park. Ted has 1 left, but Mark has none. I also spied A-R, Mark. A penny is round. Where did you put my book? Put. The card only costs 5 cents. only. Okay, we're going to stop there for today's lesson. I hope you're having a great time. I miss you guys. Keep reading. Oh, you only have to read on the days you eat. You have to eat every day. You have to read every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Okay, keep working, keep learning. Miss you guys.